Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 22nd of April and right now we are looking at the pre-open market. So the pre-open market is opening at 14,219.15, that is 0.54% down. So guys, if you guys know, 14,200 is a very important level for our Nifty 50. So today I am thinking that it will take a support and the market will go up. So let's see how it will perform today, and also I'll be doing my live trade, so stay tuned for that. So before that, let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So advanced stocks are 17, declines are only 33. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section, that is Cipla with 1% up and Sun Pharma with 0.86% up. So let me see the stocks which are opening in the gap down section, that is Adani Ports with 4.30% down and Hero Motocorp with 2.49% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also guys, there is a offer from Upstock. So if you open your Upstock account from the link given in the description below of this video, you will get a free trading account. You don't need to pay any money. For free you will get a Upstock trading account, and if you open today you get more offers. Okay, you get free 1 month trading with zero brokerage. There's been no brokerage charge from your side. There will be free trading for 1 month and you will get zero brokerage. Okay, there is no brokerage charges on stocks, mutual fund, digital gold, IPO and NFO. Okay, so whatever you trade, whether in future and option or equity, stock, long term or short term or anything you trade, if you open your account today, for the next 1 month full, you don't have to pay any brokerage charges. So it's free account. You can click the link in the description below of this video and click on and make a free account and also trade for free. Okay, so once you open your Upstock account by using the link given in the description below of this video, you will be added to my Telegram channel where I share some of the stock market facts and news. So guys, right now I just bought BPCL around 413.50. Okay, so I'm in a buy side of BPCL. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I just bought it around 413.50 and I'm waiting for it to go up now. So this was a perfect breakout what I found. So watch the video till the end to know the logic, like why I took my buy entry and everything, which I'll be explaining in this video at the end. Okay, so yes, right now I'm in a buy position. So let's see how the stock will perform. It might take some minutes to go up, but it will go up for today, I'm guessing. So I'm in a buy side, so let's see what time it will take to go up. So I shall book my profit around 1% target. And yes, as I said, you to know the logic, watch the video till the end. So guys, this is the end of the day chat of BPCL stock. So as you guys saw in the morning, I just took a entry around 413.50 buy. Okay, I was in a buy side, and the stock made a high of 421.30. That was a today's high what it has made, and it closed around 418.35. So I just took my exit around 417 and booked my profit. So before I show you the profit, I want to tell you like why I took the entry on BPCL. Okay, so guys, BPCL, if you guys can see from few days, it was in a downtrend, and from here it started to fall down, and it was kind of giving a breakout today. So that's why I took a buy side, and let me tell you why I took around 413.50 somewhere. So previous day high of VPCL was around 414.45, and the previous day low was 406.10. So once it took a breakout around 414.45, I took my entry. Okay, so it went up till 416.9 somewhere, and then I was just waiting for it to retrace down, and it retraced down, and I took my entry and we booked the profit. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of BPCL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us now, and I'll be guiding you with all these techniques. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.